Hello. My name is Jocelyn. If you're new here, this is my teaching channel, Scofield Studio. And if you're not new and you've been singing along, welcome back. This video deals with jumping intervals. So if you've done the other exercises that include walking up intervals or pyramid intervals, for those I've approached intervals always stepwise. Do, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. So this is the first exercise where we're jumping to the interval and skipping all the notes in between. So if you find it too challenging, go back and do some of the ones that are pyramid intervals or walking up intervals, so you get a little bit more of a handle on what it feels like to get up to that interval. We're going to stay in C major for right now because it is the people's key. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with do. Each measure has two notes. Do, do, then we go to do. Do, re. And this is the first interval. Do, mi is the first one we're actually jumping to because we're going to skip re. Do, mi, then fa. Do, fa, then do, so. Do, so. Do, la. Do, ti. Do, do. Then we do do again at the top. Do, 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 ti, do, la, so, na, 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 na. And then we come back down. So all this is trying to hit the note exactly, hit the interval exactly without going through those middle notes. And each one of these intervals, if you look on the sheet here, they're diatonic intervals, which means they go along the major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. We're not doing any accidentals or any in the key of C, any black notes. So in each one of our measures, we have two notes and there's an interval between those two notes. Between do and re is a second, a major second. Between do and mi, do, mi is a major third. Do, fa, a fourth. And these all have major, minor, or perfect attached to them. When we're in the major scale, all of the seconds, the thirds, the sixths, and the sevenths are major. So do, re is a major second. Do, mi is a major third. Do, la is a major sixth. Do, ti is a major seventh. And then the fourth, the fifth, and the octave are all perfect. And we can go into why they're called perfect some other time, or you can Google it. Do, fa is a perfect fourth. Do, so is a perfect fifth. And do, do is a perfect octave, or P8, perfect eighth. So we're gonna start with do, 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 re, do, mi, do, fa. We're gonna do it kind of slow, maybe about right here. Do, do, and I'm not gonna break. So I'm not gonna go do, do, rest, 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 do, re, rest, rest. It's just gonna stay right in tempo. Okay, here we go. One, ready, go. Do, 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 re, do, mi. Do, mi, do, fa. Do, fa, do, so. Do, so, do, la. Do, la, do, ti. Do, ti. Do, 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 do. Awesome. That might be too fast. If it's too fast, you can slow it down. You can slow the video down. Okay, then we're gonna go do, 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 ti, and so on. Ready, go. Do, 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 ti, do, la, do, so, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, do, do. Okay, how'd you do? I think we should do it one more time. I would follow along with this sheet. If you know hand signs, you can do hand signs. Do, re, do, mi, do, fa. Or you could sort of point to the note. I feel like that helps just staying on track and knowing where you're going. All right, let's do it one more time. One, ready, go. Do, 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 re. Do, re, do, mi. Do, mi, do, fa. Do, fa, do, so. Do, so, do, la. Do, la, do, ti. Do, ti, do, do. Do, do, do again. Do, do, ti. Do, ti, do, la. Do, la, do, or do, so. So, do, fa. Do, fa, do, mi. Do, mi, do, re. Do, re, and two do's. Do, do. Whew. Okay. So the way to practice this is, besides repetition, really trying to memorize the distance between the intervals. And if you're like, oh, this is too hard, then I would go back to the walking intervals to make sure that you actually can feel the difference in your voice between do, so, do, re, mi, fa, so. Jumping is definitely harder than walking up. So if you didn't get it right away, don't worry, you will get it. Okay, good luck. I hope this is helpful. Please let me know.